Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with a kit unboxing for Miss Kate Designs. She sent me the October Boo subscription box, and this fabulous vintage collection that she designed is included in this kit. They sent me the Premium Plus 6x6 box, so I'll be showing you what's all in there. We're going to look at the 12 by 12 pattern paper first. You can see all of the designs on this cover sheet that I am showing you now. And then let's look at the individual pieces closer. So we have this fabulous orange background with moons and stars, and on the back side there is a tan background with candy corn. And there are lots of designs that aren't necessarily Halloween, like that plaid background where you could use for fall layouts. And then on the flip side is a dark orange background with some pumpkins. This one again, a beige background with some fall polka dots on it. And on the flip side, dark orange background with some witches' feet and stars. So not just Halloween stuff possibly that you could scrapbook here, but there's a lot of other papers here that would work for fall layouts too. So I love this montage of black cat and pumpkins and candy corn, ghosts. She has a couple variations of spider web designs in the kit too. This one on a beige background with black webbing, and then another paper with the black cats. Here's another basic one, orange with black dots. And on the flip side, we have that same montage, witch's hat, cat, pumpkin, on a beige background. Here we have a fun diamond pattern. And on the flip side, we have witches' hats and stars. Really fun paper. I cannot wait to play with this paper. Here's one with the black cat heads, and on the flip side, a black background with some more candy corn. And like I said, she had a couple variations of this spiderweb pattern. And I have to tell you, working with spiderweb paper is like one of my favorite things to do when I have a Halloween collection. So on the flip side of that was a black background and ghosts. So we have another one with moons and stars with that beige background and more candy corn on an orange background. Here's another plaid paper that I'm showing you, and here witches' hats and witches' feet and stars. Oh, it's just darling. I love this diamond paper. It screams Mardi Gras to me too. I could see using it for Mardi Gras. And here we have more black cats and stars. I am partial to black cats. I have to admit that I have two myself. My oldest black cat is 15 years old, and he came to me actually right before Halloween, so his name is Spook. So I love the black cats in this collection. Here we have a diagonal stripe paper. And on the back side, a beige background with some pumpkins and stars. And now we have some 4x3 journal cards. These are horizontal journal cards. Just fabulous designs. On the back side, we have a black background with some spider web paper. Here are some 4x4 journal cards that you could cut apart to use on your designs for pocket pages if you like doing that. And on the back side, orange background with these ghosts. Then we have some 3x4 journal cards that you could cut apart. All different designs from the pattern paper that we've seen and some spots for adding journaling. And on the back side, a black background with some moon and stars. This one has a variation of different sizes, some 4x6 journal cards, 3x4 journal cards all mixed in there. Just fabulous designs. I love that boo title with the pumpkins for the O in the boo. More black cats on an orange background on the other side. And here is another sheet of different size journal cards. I can't wait to start playing with this paper. Here's a beige background with some black stars on it and another beige background with some polka dots. So the subscription kit has different options. You can choose to get this coordinating cardstock sent with your kit. And this cardstock is amazing. It's a smooth paper. It's more like the pattern paper maybe, but it has the look of a textured cardstock. And so there are lots of color variations in the cardstock pack. You get 32 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. And I have cut this cardstock with my Silhouette Cameo, and it cuts beautifully. You don't have to worry about being able to cut it with your electronic cutting machine. I'm sure the Cricut would be the same, or a Brother cutting machine. This paper pack has 3 or 4 sheets of each color, and it seemed to me like there was 4 of everything when I looked at it, so I'm not sure which ones have only 3. But there are 32 sheets of paper in the cardstock pack. And if you really, really, really love the cardstock and you use a lot of it, she has an option where you can get 2 packs of cardstock. She has really great kit options. She has the basic kit, which is the pattern paper, the die cuts, the stickers. A premium kit, which is everything in the basic kit, plus the cardstock pack. She's got the Premium Plus kit, which is the premium kit plus a 6x6 paper pad. And then she has the Card Lovers kit, which is everything in the basic but 2 packs of cardstock. So you can take a look at her website to see all of the options and what works best for you. Each kit also comes with a sticker sheet. And you can see a lot of the things here on the sticker sheet were icons that were on her different pattern papers. They're just awesome. I love these vintage stickers. She sent me, like I said, the Premium Plus 6x6. So I have a paper pad for 6x6 papers that she sent me. And these are the exact same designs as the 12 by 12 papers, so I'm not going to flip through all of them individually. But there are 68 papers in the 6x6 pad, 34 patterns, 4 of each design. So you can see the designs just a little bit smaller when compared to the 12 by 12 paper. There also are die-cut ephemera that come with the kit. There are 60 cardstock pieces, and you'll recognize a lot of these icons again, the pumpkins, the candy corn, cats, but she also has some amazing titles in here. And if you didn't know it, she has some of these titles available in the Silhouette store. So if you really are scrapping multiple pages and maybe you want more than just, like the Happy Halloween or the Spooky, you can go to her silhouette store and buy the digital design, and you could then cut it any size you want. So if you want it to be like huge and cover most of your 12 by 12 layout, buy the digital design and then cut it yourself using the cardstock pack in the kit. This is just amazing. I love these little vintage decorative mirror. So I can't wait to play with this kit, and I will share with you on my YouTube channel what I make with it. Again, I am using the Premium Plus 6x6 paper pad. Thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe to my channel to see what else I'll make with this kit. Bye-bye now.